everyone, it's Jessica, flight attendant flipper. For those who are new to my channel, I am a full-time flight attendant and part-time reseller on Poshmark, eBay, Mercari, and The RealReal. For those who are not new, welcome back. I am standing today. You're like, why aren't you sitting down? So I'm about to do my first WhatNot auction in a little while, but I wanted to get this video recorded first because I got one of my mystery boxes from ThredUp and I wanted to do the unboxing with you. So, and forgive the mess in my apartment, and my curls are doing what they want to do today. Okay, so this is a mixed clothing box, all right? We ready? All right, let's go. Oh, this is a dress. Oh, but it's cute. Oh, this is so cute. What is this? Bespoke, size 2. But I think this is so cute. It's like very like graffiti-like. How cute is that? I actually really like this. This is adorable. So this is like if you want to go to the prom, but you're not like the promy person and you just want to like be a little bit of a rebel but still wear a dress. This is so cute. It almost looks graffiti-ish. I really like it. All right. I don't know what the, oh, another dress. This is a Gap dress, size 0. It's cute, little floral number, okay. And then like whatever I'm not gonna sell on Poshmark and eBay and Mercari, I'm probably gonna auction on WhatNot. So, but if you like anything, message me below and we can work something out. This is, oh, this is soft. Nordstrom signature, 100% cashmere. Please let there not be holes. Please let there not be holes. Okay, it's purple. I don't see any holes. This is so luxurious and soft. Ugh. I'll have to go through it with the pillar machine. There's just a little bit of pilling and it's a size small. This is really beautiful. It's not coming up on camera. It's really darker purple, but it's still like a light, soft purple. A little bit of thread. This is really nice. I only paid $60. Okay, so I only paid $60 for this box, and I can tell you between the cashmere, that's probably gonna go for $30, $25, $30 right there. Just that one piece. So I'm excited about that. All right, cool. Okay, this is a new tags item from Nordstrom. I love new tag items. Yes, London Times. What are we? We are a size 10. How cute. Wide leg romper. No flies. Pockets, because we all gotta have pockets. Size 10 new tags. This is great. Athleta leggings, but these have definitely seen some better days. These were worn, honey. Oh, okay. Viv Ami, it looks like a cardigan. I've never heard of the brand, but it's a cardigan, and we're definitely entering into cardigan weather. So this is nice. Does it say what size it is? It does not. All right, next piece. Loft, extra small petite. All right, well, this is a real basic piece. All right, this is a Michael Kors blazer, size 12. This is really functional. You can wear this at work. You can wear this over jeans. It's a black blazer, a size 12, which is a really good size. No flaws that I can see. Next up. What is this? My gosh. Okay. This is, oh, Free People. What size is this? It's a small. Okay. This is not bad actually. So it's like a blue dress, but it's pretty long. I would say it's midi. And depending on how short you are, like myself, this would probably go all the way down to my ankles, but this is definitely an oversized small, but this is really pretty. Has some embroidery there and then throughout the back. Very nice. And there's the bottom. I really like this. Wow. Okay, ThredUp. Okay. I see you. This is a good box. All right. Okay, tech gear, nothing great, you know, just a, it's a hoodie, full zip, tech gear, nothing super fancy. What size is it? It's a 3X, so that's good. So today's show on WhatNot is my first show. I'm very nervous. Everyone says the first show you do horribly on, so I'm prepared for the failure. All right, this is a Zara dress. I like it. It's really cute. Okay, what size are we? An extra large. Really good sizing on these. I'm very happy. This is, okay, is this oh, this is so cute. Okay, so it's a jumper, but look how cute the top is. It almost looks like overalls. It's got like these little straps here, and then in the back. How cute is that? What size are we? Oh, so this is Urban Outfitters. It's a size large. Oh, this is so cute. And you can totally bring this into the fall. You can wear a jacket over it. You can wear a shirt under it and a jacket over it. This is so cute. And it's like, it's definitely some thick material with some stretch. So even if you're not like normally a large, it's gonna flatter you. It's black, it's slimming. Oh, it's very nice. I'm very happy with this. Yes. I like this box. Okay. Bay Studios khakis. Okay, so it's a size 12. I really am liking the sizes though. It's a skirt with a little belt here. This is really cute. Actually, it's a skirt. Even better. Nice. Like this olive green with the stars on the buttons. Oh, I like this. Cool. Okay, some booty shorts. American Eagle booty shorts. These actually may sell. Maybe not now. May have to wait till the next summer. Next level stretch booty shorts with some distressing in the front. I don't see a size. Where are we? Size 6. Nice. Lildy denim jeggings. Who are you? I have no idea who this brand is. So I'm gonna have to do research, but these are just some like black jeggings, nothing crazy. I love this color green, the military green. How cute is that? Banana Republic extra small. I mean, okay, so kind of see-through, right? Because, I mean, hello. But you can put a nice little camisole under or a nice little bralette if you want to be a little hey. This is cute. This is cute. All right, what is this? Okay, so first let me show you. Clearly a sweater. Philosophy, size large. What do I got? What is this? This is also like a light purple. A Panna. I've never heard of this, so I don't think it's like a fantastic brand. I'll have to look it up. Just like an activewear shirt with the thumb holes. Okay, so vintage Havana, size large. Okay, I am probably gonna keep this for myself because I love like this denim looking knit. I adore the denim looking knit. It's got this little detail in the front that is slightly revealing, but not too revealing. And it's long enough to cover stuff. It's a size large, which I'm not a large on the top, but I like oversized things. So I think I may keep this for myself. So I'm so sorry. Sorry. It's mine, thank you. Hey. What is this? Another pair of Athleta leggings. Man, this person, it's got to be from the same person because they're the exact same ones. Maybe I'll just do a bundle. These are in better condition though than the other ones. Oh, how cute. A denim, look at this, a denim romper. That's so cute with the shorts, overall shorts. Size large Gap denim. Man, this would have been good over the summer. But these are super cute. All right, I'm definitely gonna hold on to those and put those on Posh. This is a good box, $60. Club Monaco size 2. It's a skirt. So it's like a blue, dark navy blue skirt. It has pockets in the back. It's in good condition. It's lined. It's got this little slit in the front, shoulder leg. All right. What do we have? Oh, Athleta, extra small, and in my favorite color. I love this color. I might keep it for myself. I love like this. I think I already said this in this video, but I really love like the olive green, the military green. I really like this. And Athleta has some really soft pieces. This is soft. I like this. Okay. I'm going to keep that. That's mine. So far I'm keeping 2 things. All right. So this is new with tags. But I think this is like a fast fashion brand. But I really like this top. How cute is that? Oh, so it's called Ai Shangtong. So I'm imagining it's a fast fashion brand. But I like stuff like this. This is so cute. Look at that. Really nice. All right. How many? 2 more pieces left. Okay. So this is this also new with tags? Girl, stop. It sure is. This retail for $88. It's Tahari Sport. And I also like this color pink. So I think, ooh, I don't know what's the front and what's the back. But anyway, so it's like a blush pink turtleneck. Isn't that cute? Oh, it's so cute. And it's very soft. Oh, and it's got the little Tahari logo down here. Not that, like, I don't know if some people are like avid Tahari shoppers, but I really like this. This is so cute. I may keep this for myself too. Sorry. Okay, last item. We ready? Okay. A black turtleneck, but it's very soft. Hold on. Who are we and what are we made of? Wait 1 second. We are Yuna. Hold on, I'll show you the tag. Yuna. I don't know. Yuna? You know this brand? I'm sorry. I couldn't help it. I couldn't help it. Stop. Okay. Well, that is my box. I think it was a good box. I'm actually very happy with this box. Tell me what you think below. Tell me if you liked any items in particular, what your favorite one was. If you've also gotten a mixed clothing box from ThredUp, what was your experience? And did you find anything really, really awesome that you want to share? Counting down the minutes to my WhatNot first auction. I'm super, super nervous. I will do a video telling you how it went, but I can probably already tell you I'm going to tell you there's going to be like 3 people. I'm not going to sell anything. I'm going to mess up the computer part of it. I am so nervous, whatever. But the onboarding person said you just have to rip the Band-Aid off. So we're ripping the Band-Aid off today. Anyway, so happy thrifting. And if you are flying, fly safe. I'll see you soon. Bye.